Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you a very easy breakfast recipe for which you will need potatoes cut into long narrow pieces, some green chilies and kalonji. Now when the karai gets heated up, we give some oil, preferably white oil, and to which we add kalonji. When the kalonji starts crackling, we add the green chilies. After some time, we add the potatoes which have already been cut and washed. And then we add little bit of salt, haldi, though it is optional. Many people prefer not to add haldi to this, but I have added haldi. And then little bit of red chili powder which I have not shown here. All of the ingredients are now stirred and fried for some time, for about 7 minutes. This recipe is very easy to make and can be given to children for their tiffin. Now the masala has got mixed well. Now I will add some hot water or lukewarm water rather to this. I prefer the flavor of green chili in this, so I'm adding a few more green chilies. But if you are giving it for children, so you can avoid the green chilies. Now I'll cover it with a lid and keep it for some time. I open the lid and I keep on checking. Now I see that the water has reduced a bit. I'm adding a bit more salt as I've tasted and felt that salt is little less, so I've added little more salt to it. On the side, I've made some puris, as puris go very well with this potato recipe. You can also have paratha or even garam roti with this. So now my breakfast is ready. I have not made the gravy very thick. I have left it little watery, but you can make the gravy more concentrated if you wish to. Hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.